Hi Tubas, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 14. In the upper left-hand corner of page 14 is the note B natural. And this B natural lives on the second line of our bass clef. We'll use our first and second fingers. As with page 13 and 12, where we learned low B natural, 1, 2, and 3, this is high B natural, 1 and 2. And it's not like our B flat. It's a different pitch, slightly higher. The rhythm for today is 2/16 and an eighth note. That's a reverse of what we did on page 13. This time, the 16th notes are first and the eighth note follows. 1 E end, 2 E end, 3 E end, 4 E end. Apple pie, apple pie. That's the word that I use that has the same amount of syllables as 2/16 and an eighth. Remember, I used blueberry for an eighth and 2/16. See if that helps you as we play through number 45. Hey, 45. That has the same syllables as 2/16 and an eighth. 45, 45, 45. Yeah, it works. Let's play number 45. We'll need our A and E naturals, second valve, and then the second to last note is a low B natural. And there's also a high B natural, but it's marked. You'll remember that's 1 and 2. We're going to play this exercise 2 times. Here's the first time. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 E and ready, set, go. Let's try it again. 1 and 2 E and ready, set, go. Now we'll move on to number 46. It's called Tafta Hindi. It's an Arabic folk song. This piece has a repeat for the first 4 measures. We'll play them twice, the first time loud, the second time soft. Then we'll move on to measure 5 and continue to the end of the song. We'll use our high B natural fingering, especially in measure 4, so be careful and mark it if you need to. Use a pencil. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Go back up to measure 5, and let's start there and play to the end. Measure 5. 1 and 2 E and ready and go. Yeah, now our fingers are really moving fast. If you're going too fast, or if they're going too fast for you, consider slowing these exercises down. Again, I use 70 beats per minute as my speed, but you can use 60. Work on it at 60 and then gradually speed it up till you get it to 70. Come back to the video and try it. You'll be proud of yourself for the progress you've made. Now, let's move on to number 47. This one is a French-Canadian folk song, and it's going to use primarily the blueberry rhythm, 8th and 2/16. Also, when we play this, we'll start from the beginning, and we'll play all of line 1 and all of line 2. We'll then repeat the last 4 measures of line 2. Then we'll go back to the very beginning and play to the fine, because of the D, C, al fine. Line 1, line 2, last 4 measures of line 2, and then line 1 and first 2 measures of line 2 to the fine. The rhythm, 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2e and 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2. Here we go. Ready? 1 and 2 and ready, set, go. There you have it, and I hope that you were able to keep up and play along. If not, pause, practice, rewind, and review. What's up next? Well, a French folk song, Pas de Pan. This piece is in cut time, so we'll go extra special fast because cut time takes the values of all of the notes and makes them half, cut in half time. We'll also need to remember B flats, E flats, A flats, and D flats. Use a pencil and mark your flats if you're initially playing the piece. Then go back and erase them as you've mastered them. This piece also includes a few E naturals, second valve. You can mark them too. Are you ready for some cut time? Bum 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 ba da dum bum ba bum ba. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and go. Our final exercise is number 49, the accent on tuba. So this piece was written especially for us on our tuba. 1 and a 2 and 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Here we go. 1, first valve. 1 and a 2 and ready, go. Sounds like something you could play from the stands of the big game. So I hope this video is helpful, and I hope that you'll use it again soon if you need to. Remember, all of these videos are free for you to use as often as you need to make the progress you desire. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.